My name is Maymuna and I'm 6 years old and I love making art. This is why I entered for the art competition. Its name is Punk the Skunk. I used paint for all the background and I used the sponges, and when he was wet I made little designs with a pencil. And I used oil pastels for his eyes and I wanted to look very sweet. When he gets dirty, he loves taking bubble baths and spraying perfume. When I make art, I feel like I'm imagining myself in like everything I love.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Look at this.
Oh my god, it is so... The composition and the colours are so beautifully chosen. Congratulations, and I cannot wait to see more of your work.
Oh,
Best girl.
wow.
I'm really glad that the judges liked my artwork.
Tell us a little bit about the story that got you to Lesbos and how you ended up making that drawing, Tyke.
The painting's background is in Lesbos, the island in Greece. It's of a courthouse. Some of our friends, they were being held on trial for helping refugees. This is basically the view from outside the courthouse. So I tried to capture as much of the likeness of the painting.
So, Tyke, I am so delighted to tell you, you have been selected to win first prize. Congratulations.
Wow.
Have you nominated someone to collect the award on your behalf?
My best friend, art companion, amazing Grace. So we do a lot of art together. We're also best friends. So I just think that Grace would be a very appropriate person to collect this award.
Wow, this is so cool. My name is Ihan, I'm 14, and this is my piece, The Journey of Tranquility. My piece mainly focuses on the power of music and how it helps transport us to a more tranquil state even amongst the chaos of everyday life. It's a self-portrait. We were on a journey and the colours looked really cool, so we took a few pictures. I thought it would be a very good composition for the painting. I used warmer tones for the reflection to show like the warmth and excitement music brings. I began creating art when I was around 6 or 7. I did little colouring pencil drawings. Art offers a relaxing kind of environment. I get to get away from the stress of school.
Special delivery. It has a thoughtful and still quality that reminds me of a contemporary Vermeer painting. Colin and Martin, or RTÉ.
Well done, we are very proud of you.
Oh my god, no! It feels really amazing to win and I really love the trophy.
Hi, I'm Georgia. I'm 16 years old and I'm thrilled to have won the 16 to 18 category of the This Is Art competition. In my primary school, there was a fox called the Stratford Fox, who was our mascot. Sometimes we'd see him, but not that often. For transition year, we had work experiences. It was about community, and I thought maybe I could paint a mural of the Stratford Fox in my school. I'd never done a mural before. It was definitely new to me. I found some reference photos of foxes. I had the idea to do maybe a mother fox with a little baby. I was very happy with it. I think it just makes everything a bit brighter and happier.
Special delivery.
Oh, cool.
Look at that, that's brilliant. It is wonderful to think of the joy that George's artwork will bring for the students of Stratford National School. Tyke, Crowley, the Glucksman Museum.
I'm definitely still in shock that I've won. Sometimes I'm just sitting down and I'm thinking, wow, I mean, that's crazy that I actually did that.
Is mujan céad bhliana ó Coláiste Alley tá aim de ar tionscadamh mess monsters. Sílam sa mé hain go bhfuil siad mar gang bug carja agus tá siad ag gur go maith faoine a chéile an táma laig agus sílam sa go bhfuil píosa bug attitude acu.
Féidir le dáilta ón rang ailína teachtaí an áfaice de hub.
Tá box an shot an héadlíonn sa tóga go living.
Tá Brandon is agin Dave. FIFA 3 Grand Prix winner group category Mess Monsters and Kids in College Dally.
The judges loved the innovative use of materials and the imaginative creations.
College Dally a boo!
Tá an dealamh go hinnta. Síla mé féin go bhfuil sé galanta an dóibh bhfuil sé deanta as ábhar a chursal is even le mé.